I'm gonna be honest. I have no idea how to make a review. Helion Inspiro HX10X has a 254x100, 80 FPS resolution, whatever that means, and around 60° tilt range. It has 8 customizable buttons, which can be, believe it or not, customized to do whatever you want. Except maybe get your pants back together. They probably can't do that. It also comes with a battery-free pen, which I find very ponderous as my previous pen needed to be fully charged to 104%, otherwise it wouldn't f***ing draw. These two puppies in case you happen to draw on a phone, for some reason, and a pen holder with 8 replaceable pen nibs, just in case you draw a little too hard and somehow break one. But DaWaed, that's every tablet ever, what else is there?
I hear you thinking.
Oh boy,
Buckle your f***s.
Introducing the accessories, or as I like to call them,
The DLC.
the glove, the stand, and the bag. Now, let's actually try to draw something with this, shall we? So the first thing I noticed was how smooth the pressure sensitivity was. In my experience with my previous tablet, the pressure sensitivity was, well, it didn't exactly work. The tablet is a little smaller than my previous one, but that's mostly because it doesn't have this useless frame area, while the working area stays roughly the same. The pen is really comfortable to hold, and the best thing about it, as I mentioned before, is that it's battery free, meaning you don't actually have to charge it before use. It's been a long time since I've stopped counting how many times I've wanted to draw something, only for my pen to stop working because it was out of battery or something. So battery free pen is actually quite convenient. The glove is good. There's not much to say there. It is a little small for my hand, but that's not a problem considering it's quite stretchy. Besides, I really needed a new one since the old one got too stretched out and became bigger than my hand. Anyway, moving on, the stand. At first I thought I'd used it once, then decided it was bad and put it away forever. And I was wrong. It has 6 different positions, all of which are good for different stages of drawing. This is what I used while working on the artwork in the background. In short, it's a great accessory and is definitely worth the extra money. And now for the complaints. Don't worry, there isn't a lot. I have just one. The bag. Why? Why is this here? Okay, so hear me out. This bag can fit my entire tablet, laptop, microphone, phone charger, extension cable, mouse, laptop charger, headset, and even leave some extra space in case I decide to bring a gun. It's not like it's bad, in fact it's quite useful to me since I do travel a lot. But I think that most artists don't actually need to carry all their equipment across the country every week. So basically, if you're an average artist and you need something to store your tablet, then just get a handbag. Anyway, now that we've gotten everything out of the way, it's time for the... So for the price of 156 euros or $175, I'm gonna give Helion Inspiro HX10X an 8.5 out of 10. I think that the price tag is decent enough considering how scummy other tablet companies can be. Looking at you back home. And I think that the tablet itself is pretty good even without the extra accessories. However, it's not the perfect tablet and there's always room for improvement. And I'm gonna leave you with that. If you're thinking of buying a new tablet without spending your entire mortgage, then consider checking the link in the description. Anyway, that's all I have to say, so I'm just gonna let you enjoy the rest of this Christmas speed paint, which I made 2 months ago, and I'll see you in the outro.
You in my sight, I keep all the words you said to me. I get you on your knees, rewrite. said that I should be. I'll get you, now you'll beg me please. Hey, now I stay away, you were never meant to save me. Now I stay away, I don't hear you say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. With you, I cried with you, now will not be alone. I lied for you, I tried for you, you wouldn't play alone. I got you in my sight, I keep all the words you said to me. I'll get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you, now you'll beg me please. Hey, now I stay away, you were never meant to save me. Now I stay away, I don't hear you say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you.
Hey, just wanted to stop by and thank you for watching the video. It's been a pretty rough few months for me, and trying to balance out work, school, personal life and my YouTube career is actually quite difficult. Who would have thought? Listen, I spent roughly around $400 on all the equipment needed for this video. It was almost all the money I had, but I still did it because I wanted to make this video the best I could. And I would be extremely thankful if you could at least subscribe if you enjoyed it. It's free and you can always unsubscribe later anyway. If you're already subscribed, leave a nice comment and share the video with your friends. It doesn't sound like much, but believe me, it's more than enough and it helps a lot. I'm already running late for my 2nd year anniversary on YouTube, so I'm basically jumping from one big project to another. And I'm going to work hard on that video too, so make sure your notification bell is turned on so you won't miss it. Anyway, thank you all for watching the video till the end. Remember to check out the artist and the featured fan art, and while you're at it, follow my socials, join my Discord server, which will be getting remade very soon. And until next time, this is DaWaed, signing out.